Good to change the subject now that President Obama, for lack of a better term, is on a roll. A lot of good things have happened. The killing of Osama bin Laden makes us a safer world. So Fox News decided to go after a rapper named Common, who was invited to the White House tonight for a poetry reading.
Is this the guy, poet, we ought to be inviting to the White House? This is a guy that we don't want our kids to listen to. If this was somebody that used the same type of rhetoric about violence against President Obama, I would be against it. This is inappropriate for a president, and he goes back to his radical roots again and again. Why would he invite a thug to the White House who said he wanted to kill President Bush? This is a joke. I mean, this is some white guy using the N-word and talking about cop killing. He would have been off the list a long time ago.
This is no Robert Frost. This is no Maya Angelou.
It sounds like he's a promoter of cop killing.
I mean, this is the White House.
The Obamas do not understand the sensibilities of many Americans. The President and First Lady have made a major mistake in inviting this man to the White House.
All right, let's talk about mistakes. This was the same rapper that Fox praised just 6 months ago as a rap legend and someone who was a positive role model for kids. That was their network saying that. And where were the complaints from the right wing when a rapper named Eazy-E was invited to President George H.W. Bush's White House back in 1991? Eazy-E was pretty famous. He was quoted as saying, "How the F can I be a Republican when I got a song called F the Police?" He was invited to the Bush White House in 1991. Where was the media on that one? And don't be fooled by Sean Hannity. This is a guy who defended, of all people, Ted Nugent. Even when Nugent said that candidate Barack Obama should suck on this machine gun. The claim about rapper Common is that the lyrics of one of his songs pays homage to a cop killer, a convicted killer, who escaped and is now in Cuba. And the president of the State Troopers Union of New Jersey, David Jones, said he shouldn't be going to the White House. Well, here's Common performing at the White House tonight.
I bleed the blood of the struggle, walking over troubled puddles. The hustle's in my chest, no hustle, no progress. Extremities of life in this process. The birth of a son, the death of another. With love I caress both mothers and told them who's in control is the one that's above us. I walk where money talks and love stutters. The body language of a nation going through changes. The young become dangerous. Pain gets spent into anger. Anger gets sent through the chamber. It's tough when your own look like strangers.
Let's bring in the president of the National Action Network.